Hello Click Designers, my name is Diane and today I'm going to give you a brief tour, demo, and walkthrough of ClickDesigns and how you can create graphics quickly and easily. Once you log in, you will see the different buttons right here. We have the Facebook group, the YouTube channel, the WP plugin, the Chrome extension, and the support link. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you have joined our Facebook group. All you have to do is click on that link and make sure to join ClickDesigns Official. Right after that, you can also watch some videos on our YouTube channel. Click on that link and it will bring you to our YouTube channel, ClickDesigns Official, with different types of videos that you can watch and tips, tricks, and hacks. Then you can also install our WordPress plugin. If you have WordPress, all you have to do is click on that, open the link, click on download, download the zip file, install it to your website or your blog, and activate the plugin. After that, you can also activate our Chrome extension. All you have to do is click on that, it opens up a new tab. Then all you have to do is add the ClickDesigns plugin into your Chrome extension. Once you've added the ClickDesigns plugin, it actually looks like this. So you can click on that extension and you can access your designs instantly without even having to log in or log out of your ClickDesigns account. You can download your designs instantly. You can view all the bundles that you've created. You can view all the designs that have been created by your team or all the bundles that have been created by your team members if you are under the agency level. Then you could also view all your custom bundles. Aside from viewing them, you could also instantly download them. Then you could also click on the settings icon right here to choose the file type of the image that you would like to download. Whether it's PNG, JPEG, or WebP, you could save your settings and instantly download from the Chrome extension directly into your local drive. If you have some technical concerns, click on the Contact Support button. Then you will be directed to our support.clickdesigns.com knowledge base website, or you could also click on this, get instant answers, or type in your concern here. You could also email support@clickdesigns.com. Okay, now let's jump into the dashboard itself. Here you will find some shortcuts of logos, boxshots, mockups, bundles, and funnels. You can start from scratch or you can click View All. Aside from that, in this section here, you will see all the designs that you've created. You'll see all the latest graphics that have been added, the latest logos, latest boxshots, and the latest covers. Now let's hover over the template section right here. So here we have the graphics section. And as you can see, there are a lot of graphics that you could choose from. We have the logo section as well. You have thousands actually to choose from. Then we have here the box shots. Again, there are a lot of done-for-you box shot templates that you could choose from. Then we have covers. So we have here different types of covers. We have book covers. We have report covers. Depending on your access level, you may or may not see this into your account. And then we have magazine covers. While you browse through the templates, and if you see a design or a template that you really like, go ahead and hover over it and click on the heart button right there, and it will automatically be added to your favorites. Now this section right here is a shortcut for all the templates that you like, so you don't have to scroll down and look for that template. It's a shortcut to add all your favorites. That's exactly it. Next, we have here sheets. So as you can see, we have thousands of sheet templates. We have here worksheets. Then we have here checklists. We also have the cheat sheets. You have thousands to choose from, so all you have to do is just scroll down and click on View More. Then we have devices. We have different device templates right here. You can click on monitors. You have different monitor templates. You can click on View More again to search for more. Then we have the laptops. Then we have tablets, different tablet templates. We have phone templates, different views and different angles. Then we have smartwatch templates. Again, just click on View More if you want to see more. Then we have our scene templates right here that you could choose from as well. Right after that, we have bundles. Here on our bundles, we have two types. We have Group Shot bundles, and then we also have Group Shot Pro bundles. So the Group Shots Pro bundles are bundles that show digital devices, including sheets or worksheets, magazine templates, book covers, and others, while the group shot templates are the templates that show only digital devices. After the bundles, we have illustrations, and again, depending on your access level, you may or may not see this into your account. So with illustrations, you can choose a template again, and then you can modify the template. You could add different vectors and images and other design elements. Then we have annotations. So again, for annotations, you could choose the different types of images right here in templates that have arrows, text, overlays, and different types of elements. Right after that, we have the background section. So the background section shows you or gives you access to different types of elements that allow you to get individual blocks or themes. So if you like to download these themes into your site builder, just click on themes and you will see these are preset or pre-made themes, and then all you have to do is click on use theme. Then you will see a preview of the theme. Then you can save it. Go back to My Designs. Click on Backgrounds, click on Themes, then just click on the 3 ellipses, click on Download. It will automatically download the file into your local drive. You can unzip that file and then upload the different backgrounds into your site builder. Then you could also choose different types of background right here. You can build your own theme as well, and you have a wide range of different patterns and styles to choose from for your backgrounds. Then let's go to funnels. For funnels, we have headlines, different types of headlines that you could choose from, video skins, buttons, bullet boxes, ready-made testimonial templates that you could actually customize and use for your website. Then you have bonus boxes that you could use for your site or your e-com store. You have order stack templates right here. Then you have pricing tables, you have guarantees, badges, coupons, and a lot more. So basically, these are all the graphics that you could use for your sales funnel or for your website. Aside from selecting a template that you like, depending on the category, you can also quick search for a template right here by selecting your category or your niche and typing in the keyword that you like. So for example, you want a particular cover, maybe a magazine, then select a category right here. So let's just say beauty, and then type in a keyword beauty, and then click on search. So you'll see all the magazines that are related to beauty. For example, I want a book template, and then I want a book template also related to beauty. These are all the templates that are related to that particular category or that particular keyword. So this is actually one tip that you could do in order to search for a template that you like quickly. So just select the category right here or the template category, type in your keyword right here and hit search. So now let's go ahead and start from scratch. Go back to your dashboard, then click on Start from Scratch. Let's start a logo. So let's just say I want that one, and I want to click on logos right here. Click on continue. Type in a name, and then click on continue. Now this is our automated logo maker, and this one works by showing you thousands of various logo designs that you could choose from, and you also can filter the logo by category. So this is really an awesome feature so that you could easily save time and create a logo in minutes. Now let's click on box shots and click on continue. We have different styles and different angles or different faces of box shots right here that you could choose from. Aside from that, you will see a note right here that says templates with the same color tag can be replicated to each. That essentially means that any box shot template that you create with the same color tag, for example, it's colored blue, can be replicated or can be used with the same design. That same design can be used on a different template. Now let's go to covers. It works the exact same way. We have different types of covers that you could choose from. We have front-facing books, and then we also have front-facing magazines, and so on, and reports. Now, if you have a magazine template right here with a blue color tag that you want to have a design that's exactly the same with the report, they can be used together or they can be used at the same time because they are both using the same color tag. So as you can see, we have also lots of different templates for covers. Then we have sheets. Click on continue. We also have different color tags for sheets and also different designs, styles, angles, and faces. So you just have to choose a sheet that you would like, use template, click on use template, and then you could customize the design that you would like from scratch. Then we have here devices. Click on continue. We have different device mockups right here that you could choose from, with also color-coded tags that you could use or interchange with one another. Then just click on View More to see the different templates. And then if you like a template, click on Use Template, then you can start from scratch. The same thing works for illustrations, annotations, backgrounds, and funnels. You could click on Use Template and then customize your design. Now let's go ahead and choose existing templates and let's go ahead and edit them. For example, I want a magazine cover right here, so I'll click on Covers and Magazines. And let's just say I want this magazine right here, so I'll click on Use Template, type in a file name, click on Continue. From here, you will have the option to edit this template. You could also upload a new image from your local drive into the template. You could choose images from your library and add it to the template. You could also export this template in flat image. That basically means when you export a design into a flat image, you will not be exporting the 3D effect or the mockup. You will just be exporting the flat image in the center of the template itself. So what I'd like to do now is I'd like to edit. So I'll click on that. This is now our editor. As you can see here, let's go ahead and minimize this a little bit. Everything here is movable. You can move that. You can move this, this. Everything here is customizable. And even the background itself, you can crop it. So now let's go ahead and customize this design. You could change the background of your design by choosing a color or making it gradient, on and off, or choosing an image background from your library. Upload your image, choose from any that we have on the library, or search an image that you would like to add right here. Next, you have shapes. So we have different types of basic shapes right here that you could also add into your design. Let's just say you want to add a speech bubble right here. You could do that. Then we have different icons that you could add also into your design. I would like to add, for example, an icon right here, there, to make it more attractive or nice. Next, we have here elements. Under elements, we have examples here of 3D characters or different vector images or cartoon images that you could add. Aside from that, you could search for elements using certain keywords. Then you could also add that element in your design. So for example, I want to change this element and send it backwards, right there. Then we have some illustrations. So the illustrations are actually different types of cartoon illustrations or vector images as well that you could choose from, so that you could add it also into your design. Then we have My Designs. This My Design section is where all your saved designs are located. So for example, you want to add one design right here inside your magazine cover, or one template right here, or one design that you've created that would look super nice here on your magazine. All you have to do is click on that, and then you could add it here in front of your magazine cover. Something like that. Aside from that, you could also crop the image right here that you've added. You could change the angle. Then you could also play with the opacity of the image. You have some different image filters right here, there, that you could play around with. Then you could also add a shadow. Then you could also play with some of the layers. Now let's just say from the image library, I want to search for one more and I would like to put it here into my magazine. So let's just say I want this image right here. So I click on that. Then I'll make it smaller. Let's crop it. So I made this image smaller and I'll put it here. Then I could make this image into a circle image that I could actually use for testimonials or other portions of my design. Aside from that, I could add a border by selecting a border color. I could add the border width, as you can see. So let's choose white so that you can see the border. There, you can see the border width changing. Then you could also add a reflection if you would like to add a reflection. If you like to add more images, all you have to do is click on image. You can either upload your own image, you can select from our library of images. You could also search, type in a keyword of an image that you like, or you could also get cutouts. So these cutouts don't have any backgrounds whatsoever. You could instantly just select an image right here and then add it there into your design. Actually, what if I want to remove this background right here? I'll delete the background. Then I could change the background color into black, or maybe this one. It looks pretty cool, right? Just using the cutouts, it looks pretty cool. So you could play around with the gradient backgrounds right here. Let's customize it a little bit. Then aside from that, you could play around with the layer options. You have here bring forward, send backwards, send horizontally, vertically, and others. You could also flip them, lock the images. You could also group them together. So for example, you want certain elements that you would like to group together. Just click on Shift and then click on the element. Then you could click on this one to group them, and then you can move them all together. There. And then if you'd like, you just click on Ungroup, and then you've ungrouped them. So that's how easy it is. If you would like to add more, you have thousands of shapes to choose from, thousands of icons, elements, illustrations in other categories to choose from. So you could play around and be as creative as you like. Now, one more cool feature here is the color palette. All you have to do is click the image that you like, then click on Generate Color Palette. ClickDesigns gives you all the colors that were used in this image that you click. It will be easier for you to mix and match by adding these particular colors in some of your fonts. So for example, I want this color right here. I copied that. I'll click on this text right here. And then all I have to do is Control V or Command V and paste that. So as you can see, the color of the pants of the girl is exactly the same as the color of the font. Then it's easier for me to customize all the font colors because I have generated my color palette. And now all the colors are actually the same. Next on the left, we have here our brand kit. Now this is for agency level owners, and the brand kit is actually something that you could customize. I'll show you how later, but it gives you basically your logo, your color palette, and your own fonts. So that way it's going to be easy for you to use it into your designs because you know your color palette for your brand and you know the fonts that you use for your brand as well. Lastly, here on the editor, we have the QR code. The QR code helps you add something into your design that automatically, when people scan it with their mobile phones, it links to your website or your store, your blog, or anywhere else. So all you have to do is type in your URL right there, hit generate. Then you could add your QR code somewhere into your design. So let's just say I want to add my QR code here. Maybe there, just to look decent. Now that I'm done with my design, and if you're happy with everything that you see, you could save and exit your design, or you could preview it first so you could have an idea how it looks with a mock-up. So hit preview, and there. I think it looks great, so all I have to do is click on exit. I'll click on save and exit. Then I have the option to export it in flat, as I showed you earlier, to export it just the design itself without the mock-up or the template. Or I could hit export right here. I could export it in PNG, JPEG, WebP, or PDF. I could also add a watermark. When I'm done, I'll click on export and it will automatically download into my local drive. Now that we're done with our design, just go ahead and click on save. Then let's go ahead and click on exit. Now let's navigate through our settings. So here, under my profile, I have a drop-down menu. Depending on your level, you may or may not see all the things that you see here. For example, agency, though this is particularly for agency owners. So let's go ahead and navigate step by step. Let's click on settings. Here you could set up your storage. You could set up and connect your Google Drive account, your Dropbox account, or your Amazon S3 account. Next, you can set the watermark that you would like as well. So here you can upload your own logo, add that logo right there, and then click on Save Settings, and then you can set your watermark. Then we have the brand kit. For a brand kit, you could actually click on Add New, add a brand kit name, Click on Continue. Add your own creative. So for example, you'd like to add a logo. Then select your own color palette as well. Click on Save. And then add your new color palette right there by clicking on plus. So for example, I'd like this one. I'd click Add Color. I'd like this one, another color right there. I'll click on Add Color and so on. Then you could add a font. Click on Add Font. You could select a font that you would like for your brand kit or upload your own by typing in your font name and then uploading your own font right here and then clicking on Add. So that is technically your brand kit. Next, we have the API key section. The API key section works for both your WordPress plugin and also for your Google Chrome extension. All you have to do is copy the API key, add it into your Chrome extension to activate, or add it also into your WordPress plugin. The next thing that we have here is your profile. So we strongly encourage you to set up your own profile on ClickDesigns by adding your own profile photo, adding your name, adding your social accounts, your website, your Instagram, your YouTube, adding a tagline for your company, also your company name, and uploading your own company logo, because this profile will appear also on our marketplace. So the marketplace right here, let me just quickly click on that. The marketplace right here allows you to create your profiles and allows other users as well to create designs and display their designs to Click designers for them to see what you do. So for example, I want to select a design right here that I could use from the marketplace. This one, made by Donovan. He set up his profile. So if I click on that, I could see his marketplace profile. I could see his name, his username, his logo, his Instagram, and if I want to click on his YouTube account, and I can see all the designs that he's made. If I want a particular design from the marketplace, I click on that, and then I click on Access Now. Now, after downloading this image right here, all I have to do is click on my profile, then click on Download History. Then you could see the image right here, and then you could click on Download right here. Right after that, you could click on your profile and then click on My Marketplace, so you could modify or customize how your marketplace profile appears. Actually, it's really fun because right now we have thousands of people using the marketplace, as you can see, and a lot of designs right here contributed by all these users. So it's really a good community to exchange and share all your designs. Now let's head back over to your profile. Then let's click on Submit a Testimonial. Here on the Submit a Testimonial section, you can type in your name, choose a screenshot or choose an image, then type in your text testimonial or drag and drop a video testimonial right here and submit. It really is valuable to us when you submit your testimonial and make us understand how you feel about the software and also how greatly it has helped you and your business. So we strongly encourage you to submit your testimonials. Right after that, we have here the agency level or the agency dashboard. Here you could set up your custom branding. If you notice here on my account, I have here a different logo. It is my own logo that I've created using the automated logo generator. All I did was I clicked on the browse button, I uploaded my own logo, then I generated my own favicon also using ClickDesigns. I uploaded it here. So as you can see, I have my own favicon right here, and then I have my own logo. So this is my custom branding for my agency. Plus, I also used and selected a theme color that I would like. So you could choose from the color palette right here and then click on Save Settings. Then you can set up your team members. I've already set up 2 team members. I've added their email. So all you have to do is click on Add New, enter their name, their email, and their password, then click on Add. From the dashboard of the agency owner, you could allow them to be able to share their designs or send designs to other people. You could turn this on or off. You could allow them to download designs. You could turn this on or off. You could allow them to add watermarks, and you can turn off their access altogether. Right after that, let's just say I want to see all the designs created by my team. I just hover over to My Designs. Then here I can see Filter by Team. I could choose the designs that my team members made. For example, I want to choose team member 1. This person made this design. Team member 2. This person made this design. So I can actually track how many designs each team member makes, all in one place without leaving my master account. I could easily make edits to it. So let's just say team member 2 made this magazine and I want to make changes. I can edit it and make changes real time, which will reflect to their account and mine. Now let's talk about organizing your design. So earlier I showed you that you can connect your Google Drive, Amazon S3, and Dropbox account into ClickDesigns. All you have to do is click on these ellipses right here, and then click on Save To. And then whatever integration that you've set up on your ClickDesigns account for storage, all you have to do is click on that and then click on Save. Now, if you want to organize your designs, all you have to do is click on Add to Drive. This brings you to all the folders under your ClickDrive account. Again, you may or may not have access to this depending on your level. If you have existing folders that you've created, all you have to do is click on Add to Drive and then select a folder that you would like to add it to, then click on Add. ClickDrive looks like this. Go to My Drive, click on Add New if you want to add a new folder, add a folder name, then click on Create. Now, I have different folders right here that I can view. So I have this newly created folder right here. Then I have a social media folder, which is this one. Then I have my email post folder, which is this one with all the images. Now I could easily organize my images. And then all I have to do is just go back to my designs and then add any design that I would like, click on Add to Drive, and then add it to my new folder, then click on Add. Now let's go to custom bundles. Again, depending on your access level, you may or may not see this feature. Let's go ahead and click on Custom. For your custom bundles, you can recreate bundles that you see online and you could create it and add it into your account. You could start from scratch and easily create one that you like. So under my custom bundles, I've created these. So all you have to do is just click on Add New, enter a name, click on Continue, click on Bundles here on the left, and then select different wireframes that you like. So for example, I'd like a mobile phone. I'll click on Mobile. I'll type Mobile. I'll click on that image right here. And then for example, I'd like a box shot. Type box shot. Add a box shot that I like. Then if I'd like to add laptop, click on laptop, type it, choose a nice laptop mock-up that I like. Then you could add as many devices or elements as you would like here on your custom bundle. Again, this custom bundle is only for you. You are the only one who can create it and you're the only one who has access to it because this is particularly personalized and customized for yourself. When you're done, all you have to do is click on Save Bundle. Then click on Exit. And it will automatically be added here under your custom bundles. So this is what I created earlier, this one. And all I have to do now, let's just say I want to use this custom bundle. So I'll click on Use Template. This is the custom bundle that I've created. Now I can change all the mockups and add my own images. Let's just say I'll click on this mockup right here. Then I'll click on Replace Mockup. You have two options, choose from My Designs or choose from Templates. If you don't have any existing design that matches that mockup, you can create a new one by clicking Create New. But since I already have an existing design, I will click on My Own Design. I'll click on Use. Then I'll click on the next mockup right here. Click on Replace Mockup. I have an existing design that I could use, or I could choose from existing templates that also have this type of mockup. For example, I want this one. I'll click on Use. Then I'll click on that one, that element. I'll click on Replace Mockup. I'll choose a template that has that design. Maybe this one. I'll click on Use. Then this box shot right here, I'll click on Replace Mockup. Click on Templates. Click on Use. Then I'll click on the next element right here. For example, this laptop. Click on Replace Mockup. I have my design ready, so I'll just use that. Then the last element right here is this report. I'll click on Replace Mockup and then click on Use. When I'm done, all I have to do is click on Save, and then I could export the design. I could select what format I'd like to export it in, and then I could select the dots per inch or the DPI. 72 is the lowest and 300 is the highest. If you choose 300, then that is print quality or very high quality resolution. So I want to choose 72 without any watermark, and all I have to do is click on Export. Now before I exit, I'll just click on Save one more time. Now my completed custom bundle has been automatically saved under My Bundles. And that's it. So if you guys have any concerns or questions, feel free to reach out to us through support@clickdesigns.com. Don't forget to join our Facebook group and watch our videos on YouTube, especially this Getting Started playlist. If you have WordPress, install our WordPress plugin, and please activate our Chrome extension so you could easily download all your designs in one click right directly from your Chrome extension without even having to log in your ClickDesigns account. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching.